Hello everyone, how you all doing? In this video, we are going to talk about the WatchOS 10 Beta 7. My name is Jay, you are watching Tech Hyped. If you are new here, consider hitting that subscribe button because it keeps me motivated to make more videos like these for you guys. So it would be amazing if you guys can hit that subscribe button. It barely takes any second and it does not cost you any money as well. So it's a good thing for you. So would be amazing if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Now without wasting any more time, let's dive right into today's video and talk about Apple updates. Oh my god, there are a lot of updates that Apple released today. One of them being WatchOS 10 Beta 7. Also, I have already posted a video about the iOS 17 Beta 7. So if you haven't yet watched that, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on notification and check the link in description, or just open my channel and you can find the video on iOS 17 Beta 7. Anyways, talking about what is new and how is this update on my watch. My watch is Apple Watch SE. WatchOS 10 Beta 7 is here. I have installed it on my watch and the update came at around 180 MBs. Now that was a really small update. It depends from what version you are coming from. Also, it depends on what version of watch you are using. For example, if you are using Series 4, Series 5, Series 6, Series 7 or SE2 or SE first generation, which I am using. So the thing is that from watch to watch and from version to version, the update size does vary a lot. So if my update is at 180 MB, it is not necessary that it will be 180 for you as well. Now jumping towards the first change that I noticed that we talk about after installing an update on our watches is storage. The storage is about 200 MBs free on my watch. This is every time I talk about this, and whenever you get some storage back after installing an update, that is a good sign. And usually whenever an update gives you back some storage, that update tends to be really stable and good updates. Okay, so the first change that I noticed after installing this update is the animations feel more smoother now. Okay, so I said this in my last video as well, but on the beta 6, I didn't posted a video on the beta 6, but the beta 6 was really bad. The animations were feeling noticeably choppy, especially when you had low power mode on. Yes, I know low power mode is something that we all are using a lot lately because battery life, oh man, don't even get me started. The battery life on the new WatchOS 10 versions have been awful. I know, I get you, I feel you. The battery life is really bad. I have to charge my watch before the day ends, which is really irritating. And I really hope that this update has fixed the battery drain. Fingers crossed, I will update you guys in the very next video, which is my follow-up video. So make sure to hit that subscribe button because right now it's barely been any few hours that I have been using this version on my watch. So I can't really tell you a lot right now, but don't worry, I am using it and I will let you guys know if the battery life is anything better. But till now, the battery life is really horrible on WatchOS 10 Beta 7. Then the auto workout detection was also bugged on the Beta 6. That is fixed here on WatchOS 10 Beta 7. It has fixed the auto workout detection. It was not detecting the workout or the cycle workout earlier in particular, and now it is detecting that. The next thing that is new here is the Scooby watch face. Yes, the Scooby watch face, which we all really love and adore daily. Yes, I know, I just look at my watch and I adore it so much. There were more new animations added on the Beta 6 and those animations are now even better on the Beta 7. This is getting really crazy and really amazing. The WatchOS 10 Beta 7 is getting really good updates, and I just wish battery life to get better because WatchOS 10 lacks the battery thing a lot. Battery drain is only thing that is a big downside of WatchOS 10. Except for the battery drain, everything is really amazing on the WatchOS 10. I haven't really found anything new feature wise or anything new changes on this version till now. And on watches, especially, Apple do not tend to introduce a lot of changes and features by every single beta. So I won't even be surprised if there isn't any new feature on this version. But this is all thing new that I talked about in this video that is new on the WatchOS 10 Beta 7. That's pretty much it for today's quick little episode. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. It is really late in night here where I'm making videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button because I keep on making these type of videos for you guys. I have my college tomorrow and I'm just sitting here late night making videos for you guys. So please hit that subscribe button. It keeps me motivated to make more videos like these for you guys. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace out and have a great day, everyone.